What's up, guys, and good morning. I am with the beautiful Mizza. The beautiful Mizza again. You guys remember her. I said I'd come back here in about a month and check out the area where she lives. But guys, yesterday there was a bad fire back here. One of the houses caught fire. Friends of mine, they were sending me videos from it and pictures from it. But we're back here to check it out. Thank God nobody was hurt.
Yeah, no.
Nobody was hurt. Thank God. Everybody was safe. But yeah, let's walk. Let's walk, shall we? It was real close to your house too.
Yeah.
Like, could you feel the heat?
Yes.
The heat and everything.
Yeah.
And
maybe I think 4 house or 5.
4 or 5 houses
yeah.
got burned. Yeah. It's sad. It's sad. So yeah, we're just gonna take a walk back. Go ahead, Misa. Lead the way, Misa. It's Misa. I was calling her Lisa, but it's Misa. A lot of excitement back in here, but yeah, thank you. Hello, good morning. Hello, sir.
Welcome to my guys.
All right, my friend.
What is your channel?
Oh, here comes some more. Here comes some of the
Sir, what is your channel?
Philly in the Philippines. Yes, but it's amazing.
20 Wells TV, my YouTube channel. Please support.
That's your channel. All right.
20 Wells TV. Thank
What
you very
kind
much.
of Stevie? What is it?
20 Wells.
20
Wells.
Wells.
Yeah.
Stevie. There it is. All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. But this could have got bad. I think what saves a lot of this back here is everything's concrete. Because if it was wood, it would just spark like a lit matchbox, right? But the people are still, you know, smiling and carrying on. And hello. It's literally less than 24 hours from when this fire started.
Now, did the house that open?
Yeah, that's part of.
Yeah, the owner of the house.
That's the owner. Oh, sad. And you said they've relocated, or they're relocating.
Yeah.
But you said there were also apartments there, right? People were living in apartments.
Yeah, but they have a house there.
Right.
And then the apartment.
Ah, okay. So I think, like I said, what saves these buildings back here when they catch on. And what did you say it was? Somebody cooking rice.
No, somebody said, but I don't know.
Oh, just miss.
Yeah.
Just miss now. Yeah. But you can see how close everybody lives here. Everybody lives on top of each other. Thankfully, it's not wooden structures.
But he said that he forget the candles or what?
Yeah, who knows, huh? No definitive answer on how it started. But these, what were these, apartments?
Yeah, apartments.
Those were apartments. Somebody was living down below. And you said everybody was carrying stuff out real quick to save it. Yeah. Were there children?
Yeah,
They have children and everything. And thank God they're safe. And no, like I said, nobody got hurt. That's a good thing. Fire company was back in here, right? Fire company was back in here. Angeles City Fire Department was back in here, and they took care of it. Electric contractors. Who knows why it started, right?
You gonna move there?
Yeah, we can do it that way. Oh. Let's see how close this house here is, and that didn't get touched.
This is the house of the owner, and the
Apartment up top. Yeah. But nothing here to the left, nothing to the right. Oh man, I'm getting out of your way, buddy. Nothing to the left, nothing to the right. I mean, here's a store right here, right across from it. This motorcycle took a hit, right? I think got scorched, burnt. You see it all. You can smell it. You can smell the wood burnt, everything. Here's some of the debris they're taking out. But this house wasn't touched. This wasn't touched. Walk back here quick. This was the apartments. Went up to the 2 apartments up there. Yeah. Well, you can see nothing here. Like, we're in this little alleyway here, all right? And the flames didn't jump over to any of the other buildings. It kind of just stayed here.
look at the
Yeah, the electric. Oh wow, yeah, the electric pole. Do you guys have power back here now or no? No, they cut the power off. They cut no power. Yeah, they cut the power off until they get this settled. The tree, what do they call them? The meter readers. You can see they're all melted. That pole is all scorched up through there. Wow. Yeah, up in there. Is it safe? Is it structurally safe?
Ito lucky the one room cannot.
And there's a place right there,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
They can't. They're out of there, right?
Yeah, they have people stay there.
There's still people staying in there right
Yeah.
now, even though this here up
Yeah,
top
yeah.
is burnt out. They're still there. Wow. Sad. But here's another store that
Yeah.
everybody
So lucky
ran.
they still
Like,
here.
yeah, they're lucky everything, but everybody kind of took off, right?
Yeah.
When it started, everybody, boom, they were standing back, and yeah, wow, huh? And you live down here, right?
Yeah, I live
Yeah,
here,
she lives like just right down here.
So you want to go there to see?
Yeah, let's walk.
Come.
So she's telling me this here caught fire, right? This here caught fire.
Yeah.
It didn't gut it out or clean it out like the other side, but still it caught fire. And that is all wood. I'm sure the inside structure of that place had a lot of wood too. Wow. Let's take it apart. Everybody's moving out of here,
Yeah.
right? Everybody's moving out of this area anyways, or being forced out. But wow.
So last night again, start again the fire here.
It started fire again. Yeah. But I wouldn't want to be forced out this way. But everybody is going to be moving out of this area by next year?
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah. All right. All right, now we're back just wandering through the narrow alleyways through here. All power's off back here, right?
Yeah.
All power. Hey, there's an apartment for rent. Oh, that's your place here, that's right. Yeah, you were pretty close.
Yes. Very close.
Yeah, very close. Wow. Interesting. Sorry. Hello. That's your mom, right? Your mom? Yeah.
Oo, akat misis na to ba ako? Mag-ano siya? Okay, let me go to there.
Where are we going?
Come here.
All right, we'll follow you. You guys see how narrow it is? See, look at this. If this caught fire right now, I mean, it's all wood. That's going up. It's just going up. Good morning.
Okay.
Hey, my friend. All right.
My dog Billy.
That's your dog?
Yeah.
What's your dog's name?
Mick.
Mick. All right. Mick.
Father, Mick.
Mika.
Daddy, Doody.
Mika.
Daddy, Mick.
Okay, Billy.
Rudy.
Mick. See, now we're back out here. This is the old railroad tracks that runs through here.
Daddy,
here.
what's up, Daddy?
So
And
lucky.
the fire was like right over here.
Yeah.
Somebody was sending pictures and photoing from one of these candy towers or one of these upper places here. That's the videos I seen, the pictures I seen, and when I seen it, I said to myself, I know right where that's at. That's in where Misa is. I knew just by looking. But wow, crazy. Hopefully no more
And
fires.
also
Huh?
last night, no fire, no.
Yeah. But it keeps everybody on edge. Yeah. All right, now we've walked across the bridge that was there for the train, and now we're still on the trail of the railroad tracks. So now we're in Malabanias area. I don't know if that's part of the track. That part of the railroad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What it?
Water line. I walked back in here years ago. It's been a
Yeah?
while, yeah. But I came from this way, going that way. The sun is bright. Morning.
Morning.
See, this over here to the right is all Hensonville. Up in that way
Yeah,
is Hensonville. Yeah. We just came into a different area. Looks like it was a road at one time. Check this out. This is all your power lines coming back in here. All this here. She said this is all still Malabanias.
Yeah.
I've never been back in here, so we it's okay back in there?
Yeah.
It's safe?
Yeah.
All right. She wouldn't take me nowhere unsafe, right?
Yes.
All right. You want to show me or no?
If you want.
We can look. We can just kind of look.
I don't know the people there.
They're not good? Yeah, all right. I understand. Let me just kind of show you here quick. I'm not going to go down in there. Now look, here's all the power. Well, here's all the water. Water meters going back through here. Now here's your lines again. Going back in. But no, we're not going to go back in there. She said it's she recommended me not to go in there, which I understand. She'll keep me safe. So all right. Hello, good morning. Shout out.
Shout out to my family.
Shout out. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Like I said, I told you I'd come back here every month to see what's going on. But yeah, like I said, as a matter of fact, Isa ran into me yesterday, and I said, hey, we'll go today. And this fire happened overnight. It was during the day when this fire happened, right?
I don't know.
During the day, the sun was out.
Yeah.
So the sun was out, but then you say it refired. Was that at night?
Yes, night.
It was at nighttime, she said. So, but
around 6:30.
Around 6:30. I'm just happy nobody was hurt, nobody was injured. Things can be replaced. That's one thing. And here, you know, it still takes a lot to replace
They
things.
start the
But
fire there 5:30.
5:30.
Yeah, until 6:30 until 7 o'clock.
Where'd the fire trucks come in here? Did the
Yeah,
fire? They come down this road here, and then ran all their hoses back there because there's no fire hydrants. I know I've seen a few, but back in here there's no fire hydrants. So it's not like you can run in, hook up to a fire hydrant, and take out a fire, or quell the fire. They had a tanker with water and hoses, and they ran all the hoses back through there to put the fire out. And that could have easily got out of control, because you guys see how close everybody lives. But thank God it didn't. Like I said, once again, thank God nobody was hurt. That's the most important thing. Nobody was hurt. So anyways, guys, I want to thank Misa.
Yeah, Misa.
Misa, beautiful Misa.
Hello.
I want to thank Misa again for taking me back in there and showing me around her neighborhood. Maybe next month we'll get together again, and we'll go back in there. So, all right, we'll talk to you guys later. Anything to say, Misa?
Yeah.
Nothing? Anything to say?
No.
No? You give personal tours back here, right? So if somebody's here in Angeles City and they want to tour back there, come see Misa.
Yeah.
And Misa will take you back in there and tour you around. You don't have to be afraid if you're with Misa. She knows everybody in here. She's been here how many?
22 years.
22 years. She's been here. She knows everybody back in there. She won't take you anywhere unsafe. She will always keep you safe. So, all right. We'll talk to you later.